shoot. Welcome back, Taste Buddies. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite ways to enjoy cauliflower. It's like Korean fried chicken, but without the meat. Plus, it's healthier since it's baked, not fried. And you can easily customize it to be gluten-free, vegetarian, or even vegan. Without further ado, let's get started. Start by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare the cauliflower by removing the leaves and soaking the whole head in salted water for 10 to 15 minutes. While it soaks, bring a pot of water to a boil. Rinse and cut the cauliflower into smaller pieces. Once the water is simmering, add the cauliflower and cook for 10 minutes. It doesn't need to be fully cooked since we'll be baking it later. If you're using frozen cauliflower, I recommend roasting it first to reduce moisture. Keep in mind that the end result will be softer compared to using fresh cauliflower. In a mixing bowl, combine flour, cornstarch, salt, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. Mix them roughly and gradually add water and oil. At this stage, you can also add egg whites. Egg whites give the batter a lighter crunch, but it's optional. Mix until the batter reaches a thin pancake batter consistency. Once the batter is ready, fold in the pre-cooked cauliflower until all pieces are well coated. If you want extra crunch, you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of panko breadcrumbs. Here I'm using Taiwanese coarse tapioca starch. Place the cauliflower pieces on a lined baking sheet, spacing them out. Brush them with a little bit of oil and bake for 30 to 40 minutes. Remember to flip the pieces halfway through and brush them with oil again to ensure they stay crispy. Let's do a crunch test. Definitely crispy. You can enjoy them just like this, but for a Korean fried chicken twist, let's make a sweet gochujang sauce. Combine 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder into a bowl and mix well. Adjust everything to taste. If you want a richer sauce, you can add 1 tablespoon of melted butter. But I'm skipping that today. Toss the crispy cauliflower in the sauce until evenly coated. And there you have it, delicious cauliflower bites that are both crispy and tender. Serve them as a side or a snack with your favorite dipping sauces. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you give this one a try. Until next time.